Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video tutorial is very helpful for you. Today, I will show you how to add bank card in your Google Wallet. Open Play Store. Type Google Wallet. It's safe and secure payment method. The benefits are you don't need a physical card and minimize the risk of loss of the card. Install it and open it. Then click on Add a Wallet. Here you see a lot of options: payment card, transit pass, LOYATLY reward, gift card. Click on payment card to add your bank card into Google Wallet. Enter your card details by scan or manually. 16 digits card number. Expiry date of card. Security code. Enter address. Read the terms and then save and continue the terms and conditions. After that, a verification code receive either on mobile or on Gmail ID. Enter the code and continue it. You have successfully add card in Google Wallet account. But for contactless transactions, your mobile must support NFC, and it also turned on during transaction time. Following banks support Google Wallet or provide the facility to enable Google Wallet with their cards. Hope it is much informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.